The captain of a cricket team of 11 players is 25 years old and the wicket keeper is 3 years older. If the ages of these two players are replaced by that of another two players, the average of the cricket team drops by 2 years. Find the average age of these two players. Alright, so first let's assume the average age of these 11 players is X. Alright, so what will be the total age? Total ages of this 11 player will be, there are in total 11 players and on an average their age is X years. So we get the total age which is 11x. Now the question is telling me that the captain of the cricket team is 25 years old. So captain's age here is 25 years old and the wicket keeper is 3 years older. So wicket keeper's age is 3 years older, that means 25 plus 3, 28 years. Alright, if the ages of these two players are replaced by that of another two players. Alright, so we know the total ages of these 11 players is 11x. Alright, and the question is telling me that if the ages of these two players is replaced by that of another two players. So the total ages of captain and wicket keeper here is 53, and these two players, captain and wicket keeper, are replaced by another two players and their total ages is, let's say, y. Alright, so from this total ages of 11x we subtract their ages, the ages of captain and wicket keeper, which is 53, and now we add the ages of these new players, the sum of these two players, which is y. Alright, and the average of the cricket team drops by 2 years. Now when we take the average, so this is the sum of 11 players, right? This is the sum of ages of 11 players because we removed the two players and then we added the ages of another two players. So in total there are 11 players. So we divide by 11 and we get the average, which drops by 2 years. So original average is x, now it drops by 2, so x minus 2 will be the average. So now let's solve this. So we get 11x minus 53 plus y is equals to, this 11x goes here, 11 goes here, so we get 11x minus 22. 11x gets cancelled on both the side, so we get y is equals to 53 minus 22, which is equals to 31. Alright, so we have got the sum of the ages of these two new players, which is 31, and the question is asking us find the averages of these two players. So average will be simple, total age which is 31 divided by, there are two players, so divided by 2, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, and again 2 fives are. So we get our answer, which is 15.5, and this is our required answer. So here option B is the correct one.